Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to pin post on Facebook. So the steps are very much simple. First of all, start by tapping on the app's icon, go to the Facebook, here we go. And also make sure you are signed into your account there. And then simply tap on this three horizontal line and enter on your profile, or you can directly enter your profile by tapping on this icon at the middle on the top. Just tap on this icon in order to enter your profile and just search for the post that you want to pin. Here I want to pin this photo, so just tap on these three dots at the top right on the photo. Just tap on this three dot. You will get an option of pin post at the top. Just tap on this pin post option and your post has been pinned to the top, and that is how you can simply pin a post on your profile. So hope this video helped you a lot, and thank you for watching. Before you go, please like, comment and subscribe this channel as well. Thank you.